Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need to begin with clear intent. This video will not show how to evade lawful tracking. Instead, you'll learn safe, lawful privacy principles you can apply. Understand why legality matters. Consequences include charges and device seizure. Once you accept limits, focus on privacy hygiene, audit accounts, review app permissions, and note what data is shared. Make sure to compile trusted resources, and if your concern is safety, seek legal or expert help before changing device behavior. You can improve privacy without hiding or breaking laws. Start by tightening built-in controls, restrict location sharing, limit background app access, and revoke unnecessary permissions. Use strong authentication, unique passwords, and 2FA so your accounts aren't the weak link. Choose end-to-end encrypted messaging and limit cloud sync for sensitive files. Once done, review connected accounts and remove stale permissions. These steps reduce inadvertent data exposure while keeping your device compliant and traceable for legitimate authorities when required. To finish, lock down routine maintenance. Keep software updated, run periodic privacy audits, and back up essential data to a secure, encrypted location. Make sure to document the settings you change so you can recover if something breaks. If you encounter problems, lost access, app failures, or unexpected behavior, stop and seek professional support from device vendors or privacy experts rather than improvising risky fixes. A single troubleshooting tip: if a change causes instability, revert to your documented settings before trying alternatives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.